Hello viewers, my name is Ifeoma. I'm making this video today to encourage all the black girls out there in the whole wide world, especially in the United States of America. All the black girls that have hated themselves because of what they've been told, because of how the society have treated them. I'm making this video for you. It was an inspiration from my daughter and for you all out there referred to as black girls. So this is a video entitled This Black Girl. Here we go. This black girl. The sun was still, the moon shining, and suddenly there was a loud shout of joy and jubilation. On the other side, there was a cry of a baby. A girl child was born. She ran around naked and played on the sand like no one could stop her. She was overwhelmed with the joy of freedom and acceptance into the realm of life and existence. Her face beaming with coolest blaze. All of a sudden, she started hearing, "Baby, you can't go there. Baby, you can't go here. Baby, you can't do this. Baby, you can't do that." "Why, Mama?" I asked. "Because you are a black girl." Instantly, black girl became my name, my identity, and my personality. Everywhere I go, this black girl can't do this. This black girl can't do that. This black girl shouldn't say this. This black girl shouldn't say that. This black girl shouldn't be here. She doesn't belong. I'm not just this black girl. I am more than just this black girl. I'm actually a brown-skinned girl, as rightly described me by Beyonce in her music entitled The Brown Skin Girl, a Grammy-winning awards music of 2021. The music that graciously identified with the beauty and elegance of girls of color, endowed in gracious splendor of uncommon gorgeousness and prominent curves. This brown girl has gone through many thick and thin of life than you can ever imagine. But she came out stronger and waxing harder. She is a builder of greatness. Every stone ever thrown at her, she has converted into her building blocks. Resolute and unshakable, she had made an indelible footprint on the precious history of the sands of time, embedded in hard work and self-determination. The color of my skin is not a barrier to me. The color of my skin is not a barrier to me. It is the music that gladdens my heart, the song that beautifies my day. Despised and ridiculed, yet I am a wonder to humanity. I have learned to soar highest. Just like the eagles, I'm not afraid of heights. No matter how many times they try to bring me down, no matter how many times they try to ridicule me, no matter the rejection and the dejection I face, I remain a warrior queen. I have many lands to conquer, so my humiliations fans the fury of my quest for self-actualization. My wings grow strongest as I ride with the wind, the storms, and the stars. You know, I am Whitney Houston. When I sing, my voice becomes my pride. The best voice the world has ever heard and still identifies with. Yes, I have the best voice ever. I am Lisa Lissier, one of the greatest female basketball players with a 3-time WNBA MVP winner and a 4-time Olympic gold medal winner. I am Oprah Winfrey, the richest woman in the United States of America as of 2014-2015. I am the great Harriet Tubman, the woman who single-handedly built an underground way for her people who they enslaved. I am Ifeoma, the warrior princess and the queen mother. I was born in penury, but I ride in affluence and with the stars because I know I must rewrite my stories. I am Helen McDaniel, the first woman to be on the radio. I am Maya Angelou. I am Rosa Parks. I stood up for the rights of my people when you pushed them down and into the dungeon. Or is it Serena Williams, the best female tennis player in the United States of America? Or is it B.C. Smith, Beyonce, Alicia Keys, Etta Elliott, Janet Jackson, Robin Roberts, Reverend Simeon, Monica Coleman, and most graciously, I am Michelle Obama, the first Black woman to become the First Lady of the United States of America. The many violence against my skin color, the many derogatory comments about how disadvantaged I am, spun me to the highest mountains, the deepest valley, and shooting me to the beautiful bliss of affluence and leadership. For I am Kamala Harris, the first Black woman to become the Vice President of the United States of America. You see, there are many of us. No matter how many times you put us down, no matter how many times you bring us low, we stand tall, taller than you can ever imagine. The warriors in us, nurses, our breakthrough and our determination for self-emancipation. You know, my skin color is never a barrier to me. It is the song I sing. It is the reason I strive. The song that gladdens my heart, the music of my soul, and the story I will tell my children. I came to be seen. I came to be heard. I came to make a mark of excellence on the sand of history. I am Professor Johnny Jackson. My knowledge is superb, and so is my brain. My pen also is great. So don't just describe me as this Black girl, because I am more than you can ever know or can ever understand. And you know what? This Black girl will one day become the president of this great country, the United States of America. And this Black girl is me. This Black girl is you. And this Black girl is every Black girl out there fighting and striving to make a difference, to be the best of herself. And I tell you, you are the warrior queens. You are the greatest. And you know what? You shall excel above every manner of excellency. Black is beautiful. We are warrior queens, and warriors are always winners. So keep strong. Never you give up on yourself. You remain a wonder to humanity. Thank you, and shout out to all the Black girls all over the world. And to our Vice President, Kamala Harris, I say shout out to you. You are my inspiration. I look up to you because you are a role model. Black girls are great. Don't give up on yourself. Keep pushing. We are special people. Thank you. I love you guys all. Have a good day. Keep strong and remain blessed. Bye-bye for now.